So if you have areas of your house where you need some additional hooks, this is a great choice. It's worth trying out. It's really easy to use too. So this came in actually in a pack of 4. And you'll see this orange ring here. What that is, that's kind of a safety device that lets you know whether or not the suction cup's pushed in. And I'll show you that here in a minute. When you do receive it, you're going to have this little hook right here. It's going to be off. So you're going to put that on there. And that way you can go ahead and hang your towels, scrunchies, things like that. And one thing that's important too is whatever surface you put this on, it needs to be non-porous and flat. So we're talking glass, porcelain, tile like this. I wouldn't want to put it on a wall like this because it has all these little indentations. And so it's not going to hold a suction. You want something that's just like this, completely flat, so you can go ahead and create a suction. Now this does hold up to 11 pounds. It does have a little protective cover on here. Just make sure you just go ahead and just pull that off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it wherever you need to. And then you're going to push right there. Make sure that orange disappears. See, now you can't see it. Now it's in there really good too. And of course you can hang whatever you want here. These are good for especially towels, or you can even put it in your garage, maybe buy a toolbox. Hang some tools on it like that, rags, things like that. But you can see here, it's on there good. It's not going anywhere, and it works out great. Now, if you want to go ahead and take this off, just pulling on it is not going to do it. I mean, it is on there good. What you got to do is you have to get something like a card, because what you're going to do is you're going to slide it in here between the surface here, which I have tile, and the white suction cup, and you're going to break that vacuum. I just slide it up in there, and look, it pops right off. It's that easy. And then when you're ready to put it back, get it where you need to, push, you'll hear a little pop, air come out, and it's ready to go again. Hope you found this helpful.